Hello everyone, myself Ranjan Parikh, an educator of Sri H.J. Gajira English Medium Primary School, Katargam. In this video, we are going to learn English grammar of standard 3rd and 4th, and today's our topic is articles. Students, do you know that total how many alphabets are there in English language? Yes, 26. From that, 5 are vowels and rest of others they are consonant. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Why am I giving this information to you? Because in this chapter we are going to use these. So let's start articles. There are 3 articles, A and the. From these A and N, these are called indefinite articles and the is called definite article. What is definite and indefinite articles? So, the is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. Definite article means the we have to use before particular nouns. And what is indefinite, otherwise non-particular noun? That is A and N we have to use before non-particular nouns. We use A, N or the before the nouns that we want to introduce. We use A and the before the nouns. Now what is nouns? So nouns are the name of people, places, animals or things. Here you can see the picture of person, place and a thing. Before that we use article. A is used before beginning with a consonant sound. As we have seen earlier, which are the consonants? So B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonant. So before consonant sound we have to use a boy, a bird. Second rule, before a singular noun beginning with consonant, otherwise consonant sound. For example, book, school and dog. Here you can see that all 3 they are singular. Singular means one, and if the noun is plural then we have to not use a or an article. Okay. Even before vowel letters which don't have vowel sound. For example, European, unit and union. Now here you can see that first letter is starting with E. Unit is starting with U and union starting with U. These are the vowel. Then also we have written here A. Why? Because it is having consonant sound. That's why. Some words start with a vowel letter but begins with a consonant sound. So we use a before these words too. For example, here a university, a uniform, a 1 rupee note. Here U, university. So it will be starting with U. That's why we have written here A. Same with uniform also, and here 1. O and E written, but then also we speak 1. That's why here also we have used A. We use A before the words that begin with a consonant. That is very easy rule. Wherever we see consonant, at that before that we have to use A. For example, a girl, a clock, a lamp. Now Where to use an article? Before a word beginning with a vowel. For example, an idiot, an apple. Here you can see that first letter is I. Here the first letter is A. So we have to write an article. The second rule, that is before a word beginning with H but do not sound it. Some words like honor are honest man. Now here you can see that the spelling, the first letter is starting with H. But we don't speak honor. We don't speak hover. We don't speak honest. What we have to speak? It's an honor. R. Honest. So, before that, we have written N. Because the sound is vowel sound. That's why. We use N before the words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, right? So, an orange, an umbrella, an eye. Here you can see vowels clearly, right? Where to use the article? First one, before unique objects. Unique objects means one and one only. Okay, they are unique. For example, the sun, the sky and the moon. Many more are there. So, before unique objects, we have to use the article. Number 2, before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, desert, etc. So, before these also we have to use the. For example, the Ganges, the Sahara, the Pacific. Number 3, before the names of holy books. For example, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. Here I have taken only some examples. Number 4, before the superlative degree. Degrees, in degrees what we do? We compare the nouns, right? So, wherever super degree we are using, before that we have to write the. We have to use the. For example, the best, the tallest. Rule number 5, before musical instruments. For example, the flute, the violin, etc. Number 6, before an adjective to denote a whole class, means a whole group. For example, the old, the rich, the poor. Number 7, we use the before ordinals. In maths subject, you have learned what is ordinal numbers and what is cardinal numbers, right? So, before the ordinals also we have to use the. For example, the first, the ninth, the 10th, the first, like that. Number 8, before proper nouns of peoples. For example, the French, the Indians. Number 9, abbreviation use the. What is abbreviation? Means short forms. Okay, so before that also we have to use the article. I hope that you have understood that where we have to use article A, article N and article the. Now, where we should not write articles? So, here I have listed some points. Number 1, before the names of relation. For example, father, uncle, sister. Number 2, before the names of material. For example, gold, silver, diamond. Number 3, before proper noun. We write proper noun with capital letter, but before that we have to not write articles. For example, Lotus, Chennai, Priya, etc. Number 4, before abstract noun like honesty, wisdom, truth. Number 5, before language. Tamil, Hindi, English, these are languages, right? So before that also we have to avoid articles. Before certain phrases like at noon, by train, on foot. Okay. So here in this chapter we have learned when to use article and when to not use article. I hope you understand this topic properly. Thank you so much.